In this video, I will show you how to disable built-in Office file viewer in Microsoft Edge. So open Edge. Now here click on these three dots and settings. Now here just you have to find out downloads this one. Open it. Here is the option open Office files in the browser. In this setting is on. If this setting is on, Office files like documents and presentations will open automatically in Microsoft Edge instead of downloading to your device. So you can turn on and turn off the setting just here. So very simple and basic way, guys. Just turn on and turn off the setting. So this way you can disable built-in Office file viewer in Microsoft Edge. Just slide to off. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.